Hi, good day. This is Jobert Sabido. This video we tackle about disease of maize. Siamese is also called corn. So next, the disease. The disease are most prevalent in warm, humid regions. Some species causing downy mildew also include tassel malformation, blacking, pollen production, and air formation. Leaves may be narrow, thick, and abnormally erect. Seed and seedling disease. Disease name: seed rot. Pathogen: fungi and bacteria. Symptoms: the seed rots embryo is killed before germination. Inoculum: survival. Soil: infected plant residue. Leaves, stems, rots, occasionally infected seed. Control: fungicide, seed treatment, plant when soil conditions are warmer and drier. Use the proper planting depth. Leaf disease. Disease name: gray leaf spots. Causes: pathogens, also called fungus Cercospora siamidis. Symptoms: initial lesion appear and greenish black water soak circular areas with chlorotic halos expanding into oval, and then the diagnostic parallel-sided rectangular brownish gray lesions. Inoculum: survival. Infected crop residue, leaves and leaf sheaths. Select control: select hybrids with resistance tolerance based on risk. Stock rats disease. Pathogen: fungus, also called Colithitrium graminicola. Symptoms: water soak areas on the surface of the lower internodes, developing brownish linear streaks turning black later in this season. Larvae develop disintegrated gray to dark brown pits severely. Infected stalk likely to lodge. Inoculum: survival. Infected crop residue, leaf sheaths and stalks. Infected seed rare. Control: resistance hybrid, full season hybrid thin of short reason. So this video to be continued by Peter John.
Disease name: Gibberella eruts. Pathogen: fungus Gibberella ZA. Symptoms: reddish molds that usually starts at the tip of the ear. Has may adhere tightly to the ear. Hybrid dependent. Inoculum: survival. Infected crop residue. Stalk, seeds, infected seeds and soil. Control: resistant hybrid crops rotation. Harvest early to prevent continued mold growing and file clean plowing. Other disease name: maize chlorotic dwarf. Pathogens: virus, maize chlorotic dwarf virus or MCDV. Symptoms: fine chlorotic strippings is first evident on smallest visible leaf veins. Older leaves may exhibit reddening, yellow and marginal necrosis. Inoculum: survival. Weed, rhizomes of perennial Johnson grass. Control: resistance varieties. Control: perennial Johnson grass. Okay, let's go to the harvest and post-harvest. Maize harvesting process. It came first with harvest time. Then the second is harvesting process requirements. Then the third is before harvesting. Then the fourth is after harvesting. Then the fifth is losses due to poor storage. Then the sixth is continuous that favor alpha toxin contamination in maize grains. Then the seventh is losses due to molds. And harvest time, the optimum time of harvesting maize is when the stalks have dried and moisture grain as about 20 to 70%. Then the harvesting process requirements will continue with my co-reporter Garan Ricky.
Harvesting process requirement. Harvest maize as soon as it is dry but not overstay in field. It will be attacked by weevil, dust, and lads. In addition to reducing post-harvest losses, this will also release the fields for early land preparation. Keep the grains as clean as possible. Dry maize on cement floor or use trapal to reduce chance of contamination. Pre-harvesting. Make sure the drying place or equipment is clean and disinfected, ready to receive the cobs. Remove old grain and dirt from anything that will come in contact with the good or new grain. This includes harvesting tools like cartwheel barrows, bags and basket sacks. Organize enough labor to reap and carry the cobs to the drying place. Post-harvesting, drying. The shielding thematic reduction of crop moisture down to safe levels for storage, usually 12% to 15.5% moisture content. It is one of the stream operation depend on it. Shielding. It is commonly done by beating maize cobs with stick in a sack or confined floor space where farmer can afford it. Storage. To maintain the stored grains in good condition so as to avoid deterioration both in quantity and quality. Molds. Microbial infection in storage occurs due to inadequate drying to produce. The situation is made worse when there are large numbers of insects present or when stored crop is exposed to high humidity or actual wetting due to poor storage management. Fungal infection results in roots and development of aflatoxins, which are poisonous compounds to livestock and cause cancer in human. Condition that favor aflatoxins contamination in maize grains. Aflatoxin contamination encouraged by physical damage due to poor shielding, greasing method, poor storage method, exposure to moist condition, insect infestation, inadequate drying. Aflatoxin cannot be seen with a naked eye. However, suspect materials tend to be rotten, be moldy, be discolored, have unpleasant smell, have poor milling quality, have bitter taste. Losses due to mold, loss of weight, loss of qualities, smell, taste, colored, nutritional value, and germination. Further increase in temperature and moisture causing more grain deterioration. Okay, that's all and thank you.